Yo, what's there? It's Mike Check Global. Let's go over another crypto video. We're going to talk about ORDI originals, BRC20 tokens, and we're going to talk about SATS. So let's go to the category BRC20. All right, so you guys can understand what's going on. So BRC20 tokens are basically tokens that use Bitcoin similarly to Ethereum. So Ethereum is on a blockchain. I tell people all the time, a blockchain is like a street, and you have different crypto projects on that street, which they call blockchain. So blockchain is not one singular thing. There's many different blockchains. Ethereum is a blockchain, one of the first ones that built projects, tokens, crypto on that particular chain or street. And BRC20, which is the Bitcoin street or blockchain, they have particular tokens that are going up like crazy. So ORDI, which is originals, is what we're going to talk about today, and we're going to also talk about SATS. So ORDI came out publicly on CoinGecko around May 2023, so earlier this year. I'm pretty sure it was out but not listed on CoinGecko until early 2023. And let's look at the last 30 days. So the last 30 days, it has gone up 600%, almost let's say 700%. So that's basically 7 times your money. So if you put $1,000 back here, okay, that $1,000 is now $6,000. So these are the projects that we go after. And this one is on my radar to do even more. SATS now, on the other hand, is another crypto that is a part of this ecosystem that I'm looking at to do a lot of numbers, because this is the quote unquote gas that a wallet will be using. Let's go to Twitter. Let's see if we can click this Twitter here. Okay, that Twitter is suspended. Alrighty. Let's see here. $SATS. Let's go here. All right. So this is going to be the gas for a particular wallet that you can use on originals. And you see there's a lot of people talking about BRC20, Bitcoin. There's a lot of people talking about BRC20. And this is before it actually reaches the mainstream. It's not very easy to get this particular token. You have to use the BRC20 wallet, which is, let's see if I can find that wallet. BRC20 wallet. The name escapes me right now. Oh, there it is, Unisat. That's what I was trying to look for. Unisat. Unisat is the wallet that you can send Bitcoin directly to, and it uses SATS as the gas for Unisat. So it's a swap. A swap means it's a decentralized exchange. And it's pretty dope, to be honest. It's secure, it's fast. They have they have NFTs here. They have a lot of good stuff going on. And if we can go to the, let's see, we can go to the Explorer. Let's see if they will show us the market cap. Let's see here. If we can find it. Maybe we can go to SATS market cap. Let's see if we can find something about that. I'm pretty sure, yeah, I knew it was around 100 million. So SATS right now is around 300 million. Originals is around 500 million. So this has a lot of room to grow, especially, like I said, in the BRC. And right now it's at 600 million. This was December 1st, so this is an update. So it's around 600 million, but you guys can see that it went from 300 million to 600 million within a few days, which is why you see that crazy pump over this last particular week. Let's go 14 days. So about here, the first, and then it went up to here. Market cap. Yeah, they're not going to show the market cap. This is a newer situation. Yeah, so like I said, guys, this is recent. Like, this is not even super mainstream at all. People are using Ethereum for blockchain-based technology, and I believe that Bitcoin could possibly go to 500,000, if not 1 million this time, because people have to actually use Bitcoin for transactions using BRC20 tokens. So it gives Bitcoin another use case similarly to Ethereum. People said that Ethereum is silver because you can use it, and Bitcoin is gold, meaning that you can't even, it's hard to transport and it's hard to use, similar to gold. But this changes it. Using BRC20 tokens, you actually use Bitcoin for gas, transactions, it's fast, and people are building on Bitcoin, so it's actually creating a ton of use case for Bitcoin. So keep an eye out on BRC20 tokens, guys. That is the new meta. Keep a lookout on SATS. I believe SATS can at least 10x from here. And of course, originals could probably 20 to 50x from here, just because this is the main token that is doing the BRC20 situation. You all can see the market cap. This is the biggest market cap, is originals right here. Okay. And I mean, look at this ridiculous number. Like, that doesn't even make any sense. 5,000% on Domo. Just ridiculous, guys. They even got Pepe over here. So it's a lot of stuff we got going on, man. I will be continually updating you all, maybe once a week, maybe a couple times out the week. It just depends on the feedback I get from these crypto videos. Okay, peace.